Have you ever wondered why many creators are using anime clips and AI-generated voices to share motivating life lessons? Well, anime is loved for its inspiring themes, so this method works well and it's easy to go viral. However, using copyrighted anime has risks and could cause you to lose your account. Now the question is, if you are not a pro animator, how can you create this kind of video? The answer is using AI. And in this video, I will share the step-by-step method of creating animated short videos for your TikTok or YouTube channel. Let's dive into the deep. First of all, we need a script to make any video. You can collect the story from platforms like Reddit or Pinterest, or can search on Google. If you want to use other stories, rewrite them to avoid copyright issues. To create my script, I will use our beloved chatbot ChatGPT. After logging into your ChatGPT account, write a prompt to get your desired story. I am pasting a ready prompt. I will put the prompt on the description. After entering the prompt, hit the enter button. And here it is, our script is ready. Now we need to generate a voiceover with this script. You can generate a voiceover with various AI voice generators like 11 Labs, Lovo, and others. If you don't want to buy any subscription plan, then you can use free platforms like Clipchamp or 123 apps. Let's try with the 123 apps. To find it, simply search for 123 apps on Google or any other search engine. After getting the search result, click on the first link. After coming to the 123 apps homepage, come to the Video Tool tab and select the Text-to-Speech tool from here. Now we have to create a new project. After creating a new project, your interface will be like this one. First of all, we have to select the video language. As I am making video in English, I am selecting English from here. After that, you will find some voice actors here. Listen to some of them, and then select the perfect one. After selecting the language, you can adjust the speed and volume. Let's skip these at this time. Okay, now we have to enter the script on this box. You can generate a maximum 1,000 characters at a time. Don't worry, you can generate unlimited voiceover with this tool. I already made a video on it. You can watch it from the I button. Alright, after entering the script, hit the preview button, and if needed, do some customization.
Our challenges are like the unexpected storms that come and go.
Once you are satisfied with the voiceover, click on the Add button from here. Our voiceover has been added to the timeline. Now we have to export the audio. Click on the Save button from here. Now select MP3 as the file format, and then hit the Export button. Okay, our voiceover is ready. Now let's create some animated visuals with AI, and to do that, I will use an AI tool called PCarLabs. Open a new tab and search for PCarLabs. Click on the first link. Create an account if you don't have an account yet. After that, come to the prompt box and enter the prompt. If you have no idea about prompts, you can ask ChatGPT to provide the prompt. After entering the prompt, set the aspect ratio and FPS value from here. Next, set the camera motion and strength of motion. Always generate videos with high motion. After that, enter the negative prompt. You can set a seed number also. After all is set, hit the generate icon from here. It will take some time to generate the video. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. If you don't like the video, you can regenerate it. There are so many editing options available on Pika. If you want to know more about it, watch this video from the I button. Okay, now create some variations of this video and download them on your device. After downloading the video clips, we need to assemble the video clips and the voiceover with a video editor. You can use any video editor. I will CapCut to edit my video, because it's free and easy to use. After opening the CapCut video editor, import all the audio and video clips on the CapCut media bin. Now insert the voiceover in the audio timeline. After that, insert the video clips on the video timeline. Adjust the size and duration according to your needs. After doing that, come to the Transitions tab and add transitions between every scene. Next, to make the video more attractive, you can add effects to your video. After all of this, let's come to the BGM. Background music can make a video super engaging. So add background music to your video. You can download BGM from various platforms like Pixabay or YouTube Audio Library. After adding the BGM, adjust the volume and duration according to the video. Alright, we have almost completed the editing. Just have to add captions to our video. CapCut allows us to create captions with just one click. So generate auto captions, come to the text tab, and then select the auto caption tool from here. Now select the video language and then hit the generate button. And here it is, our captions are ready. Now we have to customize the captions text to make it more appealing. I will go with a template from here. Next, don't forget to add some animation to your caption. After all is set, see the preview. If you are satisfied with the result, hit the export button. It will take some time to render the video. Let's first format this part. And our video is ready. Let's have a look.
In the garden of life, our challenges are like the unexpected storms that come and go. Just as the strongest trees bend with the wind but don't break, we too must learn to adapt and remain resilient. This is the essence of self-improvement, understanding that the strength of our character is not shown by standing still, but by our ability to move with the challenges, grow through them. Like a tree, every storm we withstand deepens our roots, making us stronger and more grounded. Self-improvement is about embracing the winds of change, not fearing them. For it is in the heart of the storm that we discover our true strength.
I think it's a great video. You can make it more engaging with some extra effort. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating animated shorts with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!